YouTube, what's going on? Kyle back again with another quick fix video. We have Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Warrior suction side pool cleaner. We are going to show you guys how to get access to the right drive kit by taking this thing apart. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we have Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Warrior suction side pool cleaner. We are going to show you guys how to disassemble and get access into the right drive kit. Not necessarily something that you always need to replace, but if you've seen our other videos where we do discuss the left drive kit, if you're constantly seeing this thing go in circles, you should replace the right as well. So we're going to show you guys how to get in and remove that for those purposes. So if you guys want to know how to take the wheels apart and take the top shrouds off, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got more videos on how to simply break the cleaner down, but for today we're just going to kind of rifle through it so you can watch if you want. But if you need some more detailed descriptions, you can go ahead and check those links out in the description. Bear with me as we get it taken apart for you. Alright, real simple, as you've seen from our other videos on how to remove the left drive kit. Yeah, you do want to be careful as this does have springs attached to it, so as you relieve some of the pressure, as you can see, the springs tend to shoot out. So just make sure you pay attention to where it falls. Try to avoid doing this right next to the surface of the pool so you don't have to try to go in and fish out a little spring. So that's your left drive kit. As you guys can see, this is the front of the cleaner, this is the rear of the cleaner. So looking at it from the front, you got your left side and your right side. So one big key with the left, as it's your main drive, you can tell it actually has this entire housing with the springs. When you're getting access in here to the right drive, it's merely a gear set and another axle. So the biggest thing that you're going to want to do after you're taking off this side, you're going to end up wanting to flip it over and take off the other side. Hold on to the frame itself when you're loosening these up because it tends to just spin. So go ahead, disassemble this other wheel for you. Now you've got access in here to the right drive. So the right drive will have this gear set as well as two swivel washers. So as you guys can see, this is the part for you. So to fit in the left drive side, you can tell it actually has a pre-done slot right there on the gear set. So this is actually the entire drive function for your Warrior. So when you are replacing the left drive kit, we do always suggest replacing the right, just because that way you're not actually running into a different wear on both wheels. Typically with the right drive on this part, you're not touching both surfaces of the wheel, but over time, chemical composition in the pool, all the usages that come along with it, these plastic pieces do tend to wear. So just to keep everything in sync and working the way that you want it to, we just suggest replacing them both. So really simple. After you get that all set up, you're going to just take your new units and you're going to go ahead and feed them through again, just like you took them apart. You're going to have the shorter side internally, and you're going to have the longer side on the outside, as it gives it more grip on the tire itself. And you're going to do the same thing with the gear set itself. You're going to have the smaller side go onto the smaller side as the gears need to touch. So once you get that all set up, you guys can go ahead and reinstall the left drive kit. Again, with the springs, you guys want to make sure your springs are tucked in. So you're going to come down, tuck your springs in, get everything where they need to go, and simply lift up and push so that everything kind of feeds in together at the same time that you're getting this drive shaft in there. So once you get the spring side all set, everything's pushed in, and you're good to go. You're just going to go ahead, reattach both tires on each side. Make sure you guys put your swivel assembly back over your oscillator, put the top shroud on, close it up, put it in the pool. You should be good to go like it's brand new. So Today we showed you guys how to get access to the right drive kit as well as taking off the left drive kit. Make sure you guys check out all the links in the description, take you guys to the website where you can purchase all these parts specifically for the Warrior. We have every part available for the cleaner itself. Make sure you guys hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. We've got a ton more videos coming your way. Kyle with ePoolSupply, thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.